Hello guys, if you want to use your created player in Madden 27 franchise mode, you'll first need to add that player to a custom roster and then load that roster when you start your franchise. First, go to the creation center, then select players and uniforms and choose create a player. From here, create your player however you want, choose their position, jersey number, appearance, ratings and anything else you want to customize. Once you're happy with your player, save them. Now go back to the creation center, select edit roster and then choose manage players. Find the position you created your player at and make sure the player is showing up on the roster. Once you have confirmed your player is there, press R3 by clicking the right analog stick and save the roster as a new roster file. You can give it any name you want, just make sure you remember which roster file you saved. Now go into franchise mode, select create/load and choose create new league. From here, select play offline and continue through the franchise setup until you reach the roster selection screen. This part is important. Make sure you select the custom roster file you just saved instead of using the default NFL roster. Continue setting up your franchise. Choose your team, coach, league settings and anything else you want and then enter your franchise. Once you're inside franchise mode, go to your roster and look for your created player. If everything was done correctly, your created player should now be part of the roster and you can use them throughout your franchise mode. And that's basically it. You can repeat these same steps to add multiple created players to your custom roster and then use all of them in the same franchise. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.